Welcome to Thumbnail Video Review. Here's Ed, and with caffeine with a lack of sleep. With his ADHD, leave a like, comment, and subscribe.
Welcome to a Thumbnails Video Review. We're going to be taking a look at another one. What's in the box? It is DK-71. I am actually smitten about this. That are in the box, the back of the box, front of the box. Yes, I have my camera facing me so I can actually see the screen because, you know, I've tried turning it around and everything does not work as well. I'm going to try to do this a little bit better. We've got instructions, we have a pin knocker router, and hopefully this one doesn't break. If not, I have my backup. I have a screwdriver. I have a pair of nips just in case. You never know. A disgruntled beard apparently. I gotta go fix that again. And then it comes with bonus, the box of all the bits and bobs, which we have a gold version. Yes, my hands are shaky. I'm waiting on dinner. I gotta go get dinner. We will be getting that soon. If anyone's curious, I'm having a barbecue chicken calzone. Yes. And then the gold version of the not purple version of the same fruit. Whatever horn thing it is for Starscream's coronation. New waist piece for long haul, which that requires the pin there. We're getting a back. I'll get that from back of. Get out of my way, the box. It's a new neck back filler thingy, kind of mimicking the G1 Devastator neck connection. With the gun on the side of his head, a couple of new ports for vehicle mode, so it'll help tidy up this a little bit. New adapter to make the backpack go up a little higher, so the dump part is further up. And then you're going to get new leg pieces that down for truck mode, and then move back for robot mode, so his wheels are away from everything, which makes a better truck mode. You get two of them, so you get hold things. You get two of them, and they're actually nicely painted. The color matching seems to be pretty spot on. No arguments there. Assemble a bunch of parts, apparently. So we're going to do a lot of unscrewing. So I'm going to try to do this according to the directions. It wants it in robot mode, which I should have done prior. 4 screws here, here, and here. So we're going to undo all 4 of those. Okay, there we go. Oh good, there is a pin holding his head in. Cool, his arms are off. Take off the mushrooms of the legs. Okay, slide those off. Pin that I need to pop is apparently that one. It says use a hammer. It actually shows a picture of a hammer on this one. Hey babe, can you do me one last favor and grab me a pair of pliers?
Regular?
Either or I think might work. And I need that part that I just dropped on the floor. And this is just bending, so I'm not even bothering with that thing. Why do I bother with their pin popper? Their pin poppers suck. I'm hoping I'm in frame. What do you know? That pin went through rather nicely. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Pin. Let's see. Is this pin needed to be changed out? Because is it longer? Is it shorter? It's the same size. Now we're back in business with the piece. I don't know how much of that got on camera. Take these 2 screws out. Instead of having these T-looking tab slots, he's got just a straight slot there, plus his waist looks better, and it's not painted green plastic over purple. He's overall just straight green in the midsection, which is nice. To bring this tab here into that slot there, and then just connect that in there, you got a better setup than just these panels kind of doing their own thing. I mean, you can see the kind of difference. That's what it was. I was holding it wrong. But you can see the difference. But they match those wheels pretty damn well. The only accessory hook here is he's getting the bugle, the purple or the gold bugle. That's all he's getting. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take out the guns that I have already plugged in there. We're going to take this new piece. No, we're not. We're taking this new piece first and shoving it these two ports into these two squares, or these two hollow tabs into those two ports. Wow, I still get ports and tabs all sorts of screwed up. Then we're going to take this and shove it in here. Oh. That tab there, you can't even see that. That tab there is going to go into that slot of the two slots there. That's going to go sitting in there. Then this is just going to get wedged back into that. And then on Devastator, this one's going to go behind his head, which I'll show. We're going to take his gun, plug it on this, and then I think I can plug everything back kind of where I had it. Bada boom, bada bang. That is storage. And we'll get to combine mode, at least the upper half, after I eat dinner. Get off this chair. Get the chair out of my butt. So we're back from having dinner. Toot his horn. That's his whole upgrade. We're going to focus on this guy. So, like I said before, the only difference is that we're going to do is bring this part down. That's really it. Just make sure they tab in fully behind the legs. Okay, so he looks pretty good. I'm not going to complain. That does add a nice little touch to it. None of this integrates in robot mode. Clips. There we go. I was going to say that was an awful shoddy connection up until it just snapped into place right there. Shoddy connection. Hold on my one friction tab. Get back here. But it's him playing his instrument. There. He's just going to have to play it up a little bit, you know? There we go. So there's the head-mounted gun there. Yes, he turns. He can't see anything. I mean, it's not like he can see anything on this side anyway. Overall, he does. That is much better. And that is my overall look at DK-71. Hopefully in time we'll be able to do 72 and with any luck 73. So that is my look at what we have so far for the Devastator upgrade. I've rambled. It's been an hour. And I gotta tack on that other one that's about 35 minutes long. And then I gotta shrink it all. That's gonna be an editing nightmare. I apologize. Anyways, alright. Love y'all. Love your faces. Peace.